back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Mobile, Alabama, and we're going to give you a room tour of our Corner King Suite at the Hilton Garden Inn.
It's a honeysuckle heaven by the name of Mobile. Where's that light trombone and the man who played the piano and the swallow sang soprano?
This is our Corner King Bed Suite, Parkview room here at the Hilton Garden Inn Mobile, and we're going to give you a room tour. Start with the basics, the emergency exit plan, and we're in this big room right here. Looks like they must only have one per floor. Check in 3 o'clock, check out noon. Maximum room rate $9.99. So we have an electronic deadbolt, safety latch, do not disturb sign, and a peephole. As you walk into the room, we have this little closet right here. We have some extra bedding and a swan or something on the wall. It's supposed to all be one piece of artwork there. It's kind of ruined by covering it up with the shelf and the stuff on the shelf. There's some hangers. So immediately on the right as we come in is a small bathroom, and it's just a toilet and a sink, nice large mirror. And as Hilton typically does, they give you, well, no, they didn't give us shampoo and conditioner in the non-shower bathroom, but they gave us soap and mouthwash and body lotion, a couple of cups, box of Kleenex, Kohler toilet, some more artwork. And this bathroom does have a vent, a vent fan, which a lot of times they don't. As we move into the living room, we get a nice sized living room with windows on two sides. I have a kind of small television, probably good enough. The couch is right there. If that's where you're going to be watching it from, that's probably a pretty good size. We have a small wet bar right here with another big mirror over it. They give us a Keurig coffee maker with house blend, Mélange Maison. I think that just means house blend in French. And Darjeeling black tea. I guess that's how you pronounce that. A couple of cups and lids and napkins and coffee mate. I don't see any sugar though. Oh wait, yeah, they give you the sugar and all that stuff in with the napkin. This is a sink with running water. We have a small refrigerator right here. And over here we have a microwave, clean, drawer, and under here we just have the plumbing for the sink. And we have a nice sized garbage can, which is something that hotel rooms usually don't have. They usually just have those little bitty garbage cans, but that's a decent one. We have a nice large couch here, and this is a pull out. Really nice coffee table. And then this little love seat type thing here, not a pull out. And we have storage area under here. I guess that's if you bring your VCR and your Atari 2600 and maybe a small reel-to-reel tape player. You can hide it from view. It's the only thing I can imagine you would do with this. And then we have a view. We're in downtown Mobile, and it's raining, of course. This is the park referred to in the Parkview, and that is Bienville Square. This is a parking lot over here, which used to be the Bienville Fruit and Cigar Store, but now it's a parking lot. We have one of these barn-style doors that slides on or rolls along this track. And this takes us into the bedroom. So this is another nice sized room here. We have a king size bed. Another TV that looks about the same as the one that's in the living room. Little desk area here. Looks like we have a USB outlet and a power outlet. More electric outlets up there. Underneath the TV, another large cabinet with a couple of shelves. And there are no drawers anywhere in here. This is a little closet. Looks like we have similar artwork to the one that we saw in the living room. Ironing board, luggage rack, more extra bedding. On the side of the bed, there's just this little table here with an electric outlet. And this switch right here controls the two lights. I'm sorry, it's just one light next to the bed. On this side, we have a table attached to the wall with the little nook where they keep the Bible, and a telephone, and one of these adjustable reading lights. There's separate temperature control for each room. There's one here, and then there's one on the wall over there. And that just leaves us with the master bathroom. And here we have a nice garden style tub and vanity area. Nice large mirror. Lots of towels. and a good assortment of bath gel, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, Whisper Mint mouthwash, shower cap, sewing kit, vanity kit, soap, more soap, and a makeup remover wipe, box of tissues, and some cups. I don't know if this is a jetted tub. No, it's not jetted. It's just a humongous 4-foot deep bathtub. I guess 3-foot deep. It's pretty deep. And then we have a stand-up shower, which is kind of small. And behind this wall, we have another Kohler toilet. Very nice. So anyway, that's going to conclude our room tour. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe and share this with friends. And join us for our next 504 road trip.